Hey everyone. Today we're going to show my process of how I clean and sanitize my disposable masks. In our world today of COVID-19, it's generally recommended to wear masks when you go near other people. I usually do wear a mask when I go out, and I have both the homemade masks and these disposable ones. I use the disposable one when I haven't had a chance to clean my homemade one in the laundry. As you can imagine, these disposable masks wouldn't survive a laundry wash, so I came up with another way of cleaning them. The process is to first wash them with a little bit of hand soap, squeeze out the water, and then dry them off in the oven. The entire process should take you about 1 hour. The reason why I both wash them and put them in the oven is that washing them will get rid of any odors that might accumulate on the mask after wearing them for, potentially hours. And putting them in the oven will quickly dry them. The reason why I want to quickly dry them is because these masks, they often contain a little bit of metal. As you can see, it's usually used in the nose area to give it shape and give you a good fit around your nose. So quickly drying them will prevent any issues with rusting. As you can see, I've accumulated a few masks, and my first step is just to wet the mask and then apply a little bit of hand soap to both the inside and outside, and then give it a good scrub. After that, you're just going to want to rinse off the mask with some water, and make sure you squeeze out any excess water that is on the mask. After this step, just go to your oven and set it to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. 160 degrees, from what I've read, is a temperature that will let you kill most pathogens and also not burn the mask. Any higher temperature, you're actually at a risk of releasing some toxic fumes. So after I've washed my mask and squeezed out most of the water, I've put them onto a tray. And so they're all lined up now. And we'll put them in the oven. Then I'll set a timer for 45 minutes. That's the time that I found that you need to kind of completely dry all the masks. After 45 minutes, you can take the masks out and they're pretty much ready to go. I have an oven mitt on, although it's not super hot. And I think you can treat these masks this way a few times. But of course, the more you wear your mask, the filter may degrade over time. So you probably don't want to do this too many times with your mask. But hopefully, by doing this, you save a little bit of money and help the environment as well. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.